Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here. Today we're going to look at entering historic student data on courses. There are a couple different perspectives that you can do this from. We're going to look at doing this from the course. This is something that you would do if you're loading in past students and maybe you have a roster of old courses and you're going to go into that course in Populi and then move all of your students who are in Populi with a profile into that course. So we'll look at that process here. One of the first things there is that the course will need to be unfinalized for you to do this, and any student that you want to add to that course will need to have an active student role. So let's just real quick have a look at that. So we're going to go to a course. We could get to a course this way just by going to academics, academic term courses right there, or we could just go to a course up here and get into a course that way. Just search for it and then click on the instance. So let's real quick just look at this course. We can see that it is unfinalized because you have the option to finalize the course, whereas with a course that's already been finalized here, you're going to be able to just see that it's already finalized and you'll be able to manage the finalization at that point. In order to unfinalize a course, let's say you have a course that's already in there and you need to unfinalize it, all you have to do is uncheck all students and then submit. Now you're working with an unfinalized course. So what we would then do is if we want to actually move students into this course, we're going to go to the roster here, and then we're going to click Add Students, select Add Students by name, and then start typing in the name of a particular student there. Once you get results, you then choose one of those results. We could choose another result from that list there as well. So then this is how we would go in. We would work through that roster that we're referring to, add a bunch of students here, get them on this list, and then save, and they will all be enrolled. Obviously, you may want to adjust the dates here that you're adding them in, and once you do that, you would just save, and then those students will be included in this course. The other thing that you would probably need to do is go to the grade book and then enter grades for those students. That's really simply done. You just come here to the grade book, edit grades, and then you add a grade, whatever they had in the historic instance of the course, and then click Save Grades. That done, all we need to do is we can go to, on the grade book, there's a finalized course option. You also have that under settings, the settings tab here. We'll click here on finalized course. We're going to check all students, finalize course and all students. We could also, just to demonstrate, we could also just click finalize course and all students, and that'll work there. And then hit submit. And then you can see this course is finalized, grades are finalized, all that. That's how you get students populated in a course, entering that historic course data for students if you're working from within the course itself. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks for using Populi. Bye.